broke out of my mind. I swear down.
Come on, boys! We can do it!
But why did we get the last
Put it
number?
all the way
Come
down
on,
like this.
Regans!
Like that.
Come on, Regans!
Like that, like that.
Regans!
Like that, like that.
No.
Like that.
That's mine.
Like that. No, she
Okay,
can see blood.
okay.
She can see.
I know she's evil. I know
Okay,
she's
here.
No, you cannot see that.
Oh, hold this one.
Ew.
No, stay away.
Oh my gosh, she got so much money already.
Oh! Nakuha na! Ang dami!
Ah,
Ang dami!
Shit.
Oh! You got everything!
No, you don't get another time.
What's number 4?
Ikaw, anong number ko?
I didn't know
Number
she got a bunch
Do
of
we
money.
restart it?
Okay.
number
Wait
8.
lang, Isan!
This one.
Why are you sikawin pag... Why
Ikaw
are
ang
you...
nanalo.
Okay, ready?
Why
Go!
are you sisikaw
Wait lang, di ko
pag
ma-
nagplano?
Andito ba?
Oh! Yan na. Nakuha na! Ay, ang dami! Ay, dami! Oh my God!
Oh my gosh!
Sikawin.
I show you a picture. Karaudon mo na. Karaudon.
Game.
Yo, she done like 5 swipes already. Stop.
It's your turn. Put the blind.
Anong number na yan?
The blinds.
Anong number na yan?
Blindfold me now.
Then stop putting your feet on the
Anong number mo? Anong number mo?
I'm 6.
Number 4 ako.
Oh!
Game.
Dadanin just did it, so it's mine.
Stop!
Go.
Go.
Come on,
Go,
Leonardo
go.
DiCaprio.
Bakit nagsisikaw ka pag naglaro?
Oy! Oy! Seven!
Number 7, Timothy.
Seven!
Do your best, Tim.
Do
Do your best.
Seven!
Do your
Sige,
best.
blindfold!
No, you have to blindfold before you do that. Because now
Number
they
8 ako, sunod na ako dyan. Kukuhanin ko lang yan!
Ay.
Okay, kasali kami
Do we go again?
dito.
Do we go again?
Wala pa kaming pera.
Go. Kasali kami dito.
I'm gonna put my
Wala
hands
ka
on
number.
Kaya ang susunod dito, last na yan eh. Oh,
Yung
game,
wala lang
Timothy.
pera kasali dyan.
Wait lang kasi wala pa kaming pera eh.
Timothy! Magala, hayaan mo.
So whoever didn't get the money.
Nakuha na. Ang dami naman yan!
Sikaw, to sikaw.
Oh my God! You got everything! Hey, no. You have a number?
It's my turn!
No, you don't have a number. Yeah, number 7. You're not allowed. You're not allowed.
Nakikiano naman tong mga...
Dali ah.
Walang dayaan.
Hindi, balik kayo pag hindi na pumala. Number 1 ulit. Yes.
No, don't do it.
Wala, tinanggal naman yung tao.
Kasi ginawa before.
But you stop.
Nalaglag sa baba yung 10 pounds.
No, stop.
Papa, not yet.
Go, I'm gonna put.
Wala. Tingnan nyo. Stop
Kuya,
naman
walang
niya.
dayaan.
Si Denden madaya. Don't hold it.
You can't hold it.
Pinapanalo niya si
Tignan ko, bakit tinanggal niya yung pera? No! Tignan ko lang, baka tanggalin niya yung pera
I
eh.
swear to God, Rano.
Papa na.
Dito ko ilalagay.
Oh. Ano?
Walang daya.
Hey! Hey, 20 pounds!
Tanggalin nyo.
40 pounds!
No, it's okay.
No. Ah, he put it back. He's cheating.
Papa, isang lesson lang. Pag na-lift na, yun na yun.
Oh.
Kuya!
I didn't know that.
Oh!
Gago!
20! Oh my this!
He's cheating.
Wow! Ah!
Wait. Ako muna.
No, pull again. I can pull again.
No, walang pula dyan. Yun na daw.
Pull again.
Go, Francis Yusuf.
Then balik ulit, number 1.
Number 1 ulit si Uma.
Okay.
Tapos si...
Game na ba?
Game.
Game start.
Apeng Patel, Apeng Patel.
Oi! Oi!
Dinahayin niyo naman ako. Dinahayin niyo.
Oi! Where's my thing? Cover my things. I can't see it.
Wait lang.
Gawin niyo lang.
No, shut.
Can I see where it is first because I can't see nothing.
No,
Okay.
that's the thing, you're not allowed.
No, hindi pwede. You're not allowed to see it. Okay, go.
I don't know where the freaking plate is. There you go.
Just kapak. Hindi mo pwedeng kapain.
The
Wag
plate.
kapain sa ano. Huwag ginaganyan. Pinapanalo mo eh. Ay, magaling.
Wait. Where is the plate? I can't see the plate.
You're not supposed to see it.
Is the
You're not
plate?
supposed to see it. Madaya to. Madaya.
Is the plate there?
Yes!
Oh.
Yo, he lifting it up, bro.
You're not allowed to do that, bro. Nakuha na lahat.
Nah, this guy's shit.
Ano naman ito?
Hindi, grabe na kami.
Kasi to. Madaya. Madaya. Nakikita mo.
This is not good, man.
Ala, paano ninyo din si tatay?
No, sila lang.
Ay, sige, garo. Nasaan si Kelly? Number
Bigyan mo
2.
lang chance sa tatay.
Sinong number
Let's
2?
play another game.
Sinong number
So
2?
bad.
I'm number 3,
No,
I'm number 3.
wala. Number 3 ba yan? Paluin kita. Number
Ako
6
naman.
ka.
I got number 3.
No,
Number eight
Papa.
ako.
Si
Number eight
Caleb
ako.
pa. Nag-restart tayo.
Yung nanalo hindi nakasali ah.
20 pounds!
He's lying, you didn't
Oh!
Ay, si
Number
Daniel na.
number 3.
Ano? Number 4 ako. Number 4 ako.
She was 4.
Pinalit
She was
mo lang eh.
4. She was 4.
No, I'm 4, bro. Pinalit mo lang eh.
Cover it.
Someone cover my thing. Someone cover it. Nasaan yung ano? Ang baho.
Shut up, bro. That's literally what you did to me, mom, dad.
Gatarin mo kasi oh.
Oh!
Ah, that's enough.
Ah!
Ano ng lahat?
Oh!
Lahat?
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I swear to God, we didn't.
It's there na.
You did it. You were the one that did that.
Para makita.
Hurry up, bro.
Tinanggal mo na lahat yung pera.
Yeah, you fucking take it all off.
Back. Wala
Shut the fuck up, bro.
No, you can't. You can't.
Wala!
Just hurry up and do it.
Wala akong makukuha pag wala to.
And whose problem is that? You pushed it out.
Nak, anuhin mo lang.
Ah, that's a
Huwag mong
cheat.
Okay, hurry up then.
That's a cheat.
This is supposed to be fun.
If we are not a...
Go!
Oh! 20 pounds! 20 pounds! Oh, 20 pounds! Oh, shit! Oh! 10 minutes!
Madaya!
Stop!
Papa, ano
Can you
ito?
stop?
May the force.
Put it back, put it all back. Si Papa naman kasi.
Are you doing something that I say?
Just let her go
Tapos
again
ulit
because of
number
Papa.
1. Papa, hindi ka nakasali. Sorry.
Hindi, number 8.
Pera! Wala kaming pera.
Okay, then you're finished.
It's okay.
Shit!
21 gets. None of them None of them average.
Ako na susunod dyan.
Oh! Noodles! It's not inside there.
I cheat.
No. You can feel it. You felt it already.
Hindi, tignan ko lang nga, baka tinanggal mo lahat.
Hindi nga!
Go, Papa.
No,
Go,
'cause he's
Papa.
looking at
Pag
his
nanalo
shit.
ka, bibili
There you
mo
go.
ako ng bago.
Ah, he's cheating. No,
No,
play back.
stop.
He's cheating. He's feeling it. He's feeling it. He's feeling it.
Leave it kasi!
He's touching it like
Just
that.
leave it, Bachi.
Wag nga kayo sigaw ng
Unfair,
sigaw.
bro. See,
Oh! 20 pounds, guys! Wow! Wow! Oh, shit!
Hindi pwede. Wag mong galawin.
I told you he's touching it. I told you he's touching it.
Bakit kasi may kanan? Goodness naman.
I told you guys. You guys don't believe me. He's touching it.
Papa, ba't may kanin? Wala
the thing is.
The thing is there.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm just sizing it up. I'm just sizing it up.
Ibang laro naman. Give up na,
No,
guys.
until we finish the money.
Liomar, wala yan. Talo. Liomar, talo. Sabi ko talo na eh.
Gusto ko ng pera. Saan yung pera ko? Aray, go scream.
Oh, 20 pounds! 20 pounds!
Oh my God! No, you had everything. Why would you say that?
Nakakatawa kayo.
Okay, pero... Good luck. Inshallah. Wait, inshallah, habibi.
Yeah, you know what?
Because you know when you go that time.
Oh, ate!
Sabi ko sa inyo, itulak yung ganun sa kanyo ihagis.
Amanda even wanna play.
I don't want to play no more. I want money.
Diba sabi ko, Jessie, ganun yun.
Oh.
Itulak nyo lang.
Sino na? Sunod.
Does anyone have any nakuha? Ginano niya? Opo. Tapos sinagis niya?
She just went like that and then she just threw
I
it.
told you. Yun kanina ko pa sinasabi.
Kasi may kwan, may kanin.
Kaya dumikit.
Dumikit.
Cristiano Ronaldo. Sui. So, if it's my turn, it's taking my turn, G. It's here. You take it too long, you little boy.
Timothy fought.
Mom's had it.
Okay, hurry
Oh, I
up.
cheated. She cheated. She did this and then she.
Lovely.
So good. I'm so good. Excellent.
My turn, bro.
It's my turn. My turn was before Timothy, but like. Sorry.
Kahit kailan naman naman sa amin.
What's unfair? Not his eyes made out of coal.
Go.
Until wala na. Okay, go.
You're so lucky. I don't know.
Ay, madaya. Sorry, Bache. Kasalanan ko ba?
That's the part of the game. That's the part of the game. That's always happening. That's always good.
That's me. That's what you say.
Wala kaya akong pera. Yun yun. Ang
You
hinabalan ko nga.
You're such a cheater, bro. Why is no one holding her, bro?
Hawakan niyo ako. Wala ako. Jealous ka na. Hindi niyo ako hinawakan. Hindi niyo ako
It's qualified.
Put your hands together, bro. What does the camera- Hurry up, then hurry up.
Hurry up na daw.
Bastos ka ba? Bastos ka?
Can I see where the?
Si Bache yung nakikita niya, hawakan mo. Okay na lang. I love you, Rana.
So unfair, bro.
Not the flip. No way. Bache, i-cover mo, nakikita niya.
I left it.
Wait! You got 10
That's a small technique. I swear that's cheating.
Ang daya! Ang daya! Ang tagal niya.
No, you just had your turn. You just had your turn.
Number 3 ako.
No.
Wait,
Someone needs to give me 100 pounds right now.
Then why did you have your turn before?
Hindi ako makahinga. Huwag niyong ginagalaw!
No, it was then.
But she stopped.
It was then, so I have to fix it.
Ate Grace, tulak mo ako.
Oh my god.
Oh, my G! Oh, so much!
Huwag mong iangat. Bache, nasa ano? Nasa... Oh!
To make it easier, make it just.
Oy, si Dandan, turn ni Dandan.
She just finished her turn. I swear to God, she just finished her turn. She was before by
Ang galing.
Oh, cash out, cash out, cash out, cash out.
Do
Just
it!
cash out, bro. Just cash out. Bro, hurry up, bro. You're finished, bro.
Get out, my turn. No, I thought there was no money there. You guys always do that.
Mom, is that there was? Bro, shut up.
Kuha ka ng pen. Saka, kuha ka ng pen doon. Kuha ka ng pen.
Bomba clock. You nearly got it though. No, you already lifted it.
Kuha ka ng pen kuya.
Yeah, but you're not supposed to.
No, no, no. Oh!